Okay, so ladies, I'm going to give y'all a little sexy tip that you can send to your man. Keep your relationship nice and spicy and hot. Simple shit. Just set up your camera and get right in front of it. So you're going to be really, really close. But we're going to do a figure eight. I'm just going to show you figure eight. The figure eight is just this, right? Your knee, one knee bend, the other one goes straight. So when it does that, your hip automatically is just going to go do a figure eight, right? So that's what we're going to do. But we're going to do it with the booty to the motherfucking screen. Hey. So you're going to bend down, booty. You can do this naked. You can have a lingerie. You can have some sexy ass panties. Hey, figure eight. Nice and easy. Don't even look back. Nice and easy. To the side. So we're going to do the figure eight. Now we're going to slow it down. Nice and slow. Like you're doing it in slow mo. Like you're doing it in slow mo. Now we're going to take it. Tick, tick. Same thing. And you taking it. Tick. Tick. Hey. 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 Move it out. Move it out. We're at a nice little steady pace. Nice and steady. And then we're going to slow it down. Nice and easy. You gotta be good to me. I'll be great to you. Kick it out. Tick. 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 So practice that. And thank y'all so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's all about keeping your relationship hot and spicy, ladies. My name is Rill. I'm intimacy coach / seductress with a service called Seductive ArT. You can check me out at seductive-art.com. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Spicy, sexy, and hot.